Good morning, students. We are studying about forms of business. Forms of business organization in the world. Forms of types of business organizations in the world. Forms or types of business in the world. First one is sole trading concern. Sole trading concern means that type of business which is undertaken by a single person. That business which is conducted by or undertaken by a single person is known as sole trading concern. That particular business which is done by or which is undertaken by a single person is known as sole trading concerns. What are the features that we have to see? What are the features of sole trading features? What are the specialities of sole trading concerns? First one is it is done by a single person. The first speciality of sole trading concern is it is done by or conducted by a single person. Single person is the owner of the firm. A single person or single individual is the owner of this method. Single person or single individual. Single person or single individual is the owner of this type of a method. Single person or single individual is the owner of the firm. Another one is not, this is the oldest method. See this one. Sole trading concerns. Sole trading concerns are the oldest one in the land of India. Sole trading concerns. As compared to other things, as compared to other methods, sole trading concerns are the oldest ones in the land of India. As compared to other methods, sole trading concerns are the oldest one in the land of India. That is the oldest one in India. From the time immemorial onwards, from olden time onwards, single trading concerns or from olden time onwards, single concerns or sole trading concerns are there in the land of India. From olden time onwards, from ancient time onwards, single trading concerns or sole trading concerns are there in the world. From olden time onwards, sole trading concerns are there in the world. Then, what is the other one? It is very easy to start. Sole trading concerns are easy to start. What does it mean? As compared to other methods, as compared to other methods or as compared to other style, or as compared to other varieties of business, as compared to other varieties of business, Sole trading concerns are very easy to start. When we are comparing other methods with the sole trading concern, it is very easy to start. Then profit making. Profit making is the most important idea of single trading concerns. Profit making is the most important idea of single or sole trading concerns. Profit making. What is meaning of this one? In sole trading concerns or in single trading concerns, what is the particular individual or the particular person is spending money or investing money only for making profit. So only for the purpose of making profit. What is that? Only for the purpose of making profit. Sole trading concerns are only for making profit. Sole trading concerns are working only for making profit. So, social service is not at all the major idea of sole trading concerns. Then, what are the advantages? What are the advantages of sole trading concerns we have studied? What are the important or what are the major advantages of sole trading concerns? What are the advantages? Legal. See, in order to start, what is that? In order to start sole trading concerns, in order to start sole trading concerns, no legal formalities are necessary. No legal formalities are necessary in order to start sole trading concern without asking to another person, without the permission of another person. Sole trading concerns can be started by a person without asking to another person or without asking to anybody else. Without asking to anybody else. Sole trading concerns can be started by a person. No legal formalities are necessary. In the case of other types of business, what is that? In the case of other types or other categories of business, what is that? In the case of other types of business, legal formalities are important. In the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, legal formalities are very important. So what is that? In the case of sole trading concern, legal formalities are not at all necessary. Then own capital. What is that? What is the meaning of capital? That I have told you several times. What is meaning capital? Capital is the basic money which we are using in any economic activity. Capital is the basic money which we are using in any economic activity. That is the meaning of capital. Then what is that? Without capital, no economic activity is possible. Without capital, no economic activity is possible. What we are doing with capital? We are investing. If we are investing capital in business field or in any economic field, we are investing capital. Then what is that? We can start this business. Sole trading concerns, we can start with our own capital. Now we are depending on others. Then here more connection will be there with the consumers. What is that? In this method, the owner of the business firm will have more and more connection with whom? He will have more and more connection with the consumers. Who are the consumers that I have told you earlier? Who are the consumers? I told you. Consumers are the people who are consuming items. They are not consumers. In sole trading business, what is that? In sole trading business, in the case of sole trading business, we may have more connection with the consumers. In the case of sole trading business, the owner will have more connection with the consumers. That will help the consumers and that will help the people also. Owner of the business firm also. Social service. Social service also is there. Social service. Social service. What is social service? Sole trading concerns. Sole trading concerns are doing some social service also, or some social services are given by sole trading concerns. Sole trading concerns are interested in giving some social service or help to the people. Then employment. Employment. Sole trading concerns are giving employment opportunities or employment chances to the people. Who is an employer and who is an employee? That I have told you several times. Who is an employer and who is an employee? That I have told you several times. Employer is the person who is giving job to the person. Employer. Employee is the person who is working under him. That is employee. So, employer and employee, these two terms are very important in economics. Then what is that? The sole trading concern or the owner of the business firm is giving employment to so many people. Then quick decisions. Quick decisions. What is meaning? Quick decisions means here in sole trading concerns, what is that? In the case of sole trading concerns, very quick decisions can be taken by the person. Very quick decisions can be taken by the person. He need not ask to any person for taking decisions. He need not ask to any person, or without asking to any person. What is that? Without asking to any person, quick decisions can be taken by him. Without asking any person, quick decisions can be taken by the owner of the business. Then disadvantages. 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 What are the demerits or what are the disadvantages of this method? Demerits or disadvantages of sole trading concerns. What are the demerits or what are the disadvantages of sole trading concerns? What are the disadvantages or how many disadvantages are there for sole trading concerns that we are studying? What are the disadvantages of sole trading concerns? First one is decision taking. During the time of taking decisions, what is that? There is nobody to help or to advise the sole trading concern owner. There is no one or there is nobody to advise the owner of sole trading concern. No one or nobody is there to attack, to advise. There is no one or nobody to advise the owner of sole trading concern. While taking decisions, he may make or he may commit mistakes. During the time of taking decisions, he may commit mistakes sometimes. During the time of taking decisions, there is no doubt that he will commit mistakes. Mistakes are committed by the owner of sole trading concern. He may commit mistakes while he is taking decisions. Then capital. Capital, what does it mean? During some situations, there may be shortage of capital. During some particular situations, there will happen or there will arise the shortage of capital. Shortage of capital will be there sometimes. When there is shortage of capital, what will be there? That will affect the business. Then loss. What is the meaning of this one? Sometimes the business may be in loss. If the business is in loss, no one or nobody will be there to shoulder the responsibility. If the business is a loss, there will be no one or nobody to share the responsibilities. If the business is a loss, no one or nobody will be there to share the responsibilities of business. Then here one opinion is there. The sole trading concerns are connected only with making profit, or profit maximization will be the only idea of the owner of the sole trading concern. Profit maximization. That means the owner will be the owner of sole trading concern will be connected only with the maximization of profit. He may not have any social ideas in his mind. He may not have any social ideas in his mind. That is special. These are the disadvantages of sole trading concerns. Then forms of business. This lesson we are studying children. I will say once more. Forms of business. What are the major forms of business? You and I have been seeing different type of business. I and you people are seeing different types of business. And about different type of business we are studying now. There are different types of business. About those various types of business we are learning now. First one is sole trading concerns. Sole means simple. Sole trading concerns. What are the features or what are the specialties or what are the characteristics of sole trading concerns that we are reading? What are the major or what are the important characteristics of sole trading concerns that we are studying? The important or major characteristics of sole trading concerns. About that we are studying now. How many specialties or how many characteristics are there for sole trading concerns that we are studying? First one. The owner of sole trading concern is a single person. A single person is the owner of sole trading concerns. A single person or one individual. A single person or one individual is the owner of sole trading concerns. One individual or one person is the owner of sole trading concerns. Single person. So that it is known as sole trading concerns. So that it is known by the name sole trading concerns. Single person. A single person will be the owner of the firm. No share will be there. One person will be the owner of the firm. One person. One person will be the owner of the firm. This is the oldest method of business. Single or sole trading concerns. Single or sole trading concerns are the oldest method in India. Why starting business? Why starting or when we are starting business? What is that? Why starting or when we are starting business? Sole trading is the oldest one in the land of India. Before the starting of other kinds of business, before the starting of other forms of business, single firms or sole trading concerns were there in the land of India. Before starting other forms of business, sole trading concerns existed in the land of India. Then, easy to start. Sole trading concerns can be started very easily. It is very easy. It is very easy to start sole trading concerns because the particular person only is starting the business. The particular person only is starting the business. So, sole trading business is easy to start. It is very easy to start sole trading business. Profit. The major idea, the major or important idea behind, the major or important idea behind the starting of sole trading concern is to make profit. All the private persons or all the private individuals are starting classes only for making profit or profit maximization or maximization of profit is the most important idea of sole trading concerns. Profit maximization or maximization of profit is the most important idea of sole trading concerns. Then, what are the advantages of sole trading concerns? How many advantages are there for sole trading concerns that we are studying? What are the advantages of? How many advantages are there for sole trading concerns? How many advantages are there? First one. There is no need of a legal method. A legal method is not necessary to start sole trading concerns. Legal methods are not necessary for starting the sole trading concerns. Legal methods are not necessary in order to start sole trading concerns. Legal methods, because here there is no partnership. Here there is no partnership at all. Without asking to anyone, the particular person can start the business. No need of asking to any person, without asking to anyone. This sole trading concerns can be started. All capital without asking capital to other people, the particular person can start a business. The business will be going on with all capital, with all capital or with the capital of the person, with the own capital, with the capital of the particular person, with own capital or with the capital of the particular person only. he can start the business. No need of asking or requesting capital to another person. Consumers. Here in this method, what is that? Here in this method, the owner of the business firm, he is having direct contact with the consumers. Here in this method, the owner is having direct contact with the consumers. The owner is making on. The owner can keep direct contact with the consumers. What is meaning of this one? Consumers are the people who are using the items. So, in the case of sole trading concerns, what is that? In the case of sole trading concerns, the business owner is making direct connection with the consumer. Then, in the case of sole trading concern, some element of social service also is there. In the case of sole trading concerns, an element of social service is there. Sometimes the owner may spend, what do you do? Sometimes the owner may spend money for the happiness of the society. He may spend money for the happiness of the society. Employment. The owner of sole trading business. The owner of sole trading business will provide employment to the people. He may give employment also to the people. The owner of sole trading concern, while running the business, he will provide or give employment chances also to the people. Quick decisions. In the case of sole trading concerns, what is that? In the case of sole trading concerns, very quick or sudden decisions can be taken by whom? Sudden decisions can be taken by the owner of the business, because it is his own business. It is his own business. Without asking to other people, he can take decisions. In the case of partnership, what is that? In the case of partnership business, he must ask to other people. In the case of partnership business, he must ask to other people also. But in the case of sole trading concerns or sole trading business, what is that? He need not ask to other people. Without asking to other people, he can start business. Then, disadvantages of sole trading concerns. What are the major or what are the important disadvantages or demerits of sole trading concerns? How many demerits are there or how many disadvantages are there for sole trading concerns? First one, decision. During the time of decision taking, there is no one or nobody to help or advise the owner of sole trading concern. There is no one or nobody to advise the owner of sole trading concerns here. No one is there to advise the owner of sole trading concerns. No one or nobody will be able to advise the owner of sole trading concerns. He must take his own decisions. Sometimes it may be a wrong decision. Capital, what is this one? Capital. In the case of sole trading concerns, there may be shortage of capital. Sometimes there may happen shortage of capital also. When there is shortage of capital, what he must do? When there is shortage of capital, he must borrow capital from others' hand, or he must borrow money from the bank, or he may be forced to borrow money from money lenders. So, in the case of sole trading concerns, in the case of sole trading concerns, there may be the shortage of capital. There may be, or there will be the shortage of capital in this company. Loss. Sometimes the business may be in loss. Sometimes, not always. Sometimes the business may be in loss. When the business is in loss, only one person must suffer all the loss. Only one person or individual will suffer all the losses. Profit. The real problem of sole trading concern is that profit maximization is the major idea or aim of sole trading concern. Profit maximization. For getting maximum profit, in order to get or for getting maximum profit, the owner of sole trading concerns must do hard work. The owner of sole trading concerns come to do what? Only for profit. He may not think or he will not think of the society. Whatever may be the case in his life, he will not think of the society. His idea only will be to make profit. Dear children, you observe this video. If you have doubts, you read the rest of it. Again, if you do have doubts, please you call me.